In this video, I'm going to show you how the Facebook ads retargeting tool actually works. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lasher Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and this is episode 3 of my series on Facebook ads for beginners. In this series, basically I cover the different aspects of advertising on Facebook and how to use the Facebook ads platform. Hopefully these videos are bringing you a lot of value, so if they do, consider subscribing. So in this one, we're going to talk about Facebook retargeting, how to use Facebook retargeting to reach more people and at the same time get a better return on your investment, because if you're spending money on Facebook ads to get more traffic, to get more views, or to try to sell a product or service, then Facebook retargeting is just one of the best investments that you can make right now. I'm going to show you the basics on how to use Facebook retargeting, the different options that Facebook actually provides. And from there, you're going to have a better understanding on how to apply it to your business. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so how do you access your retargeting options inside of Facebook? It's actually very simple to do. All you have to do is from within your ads manager section, you can just click on those little 3 bars. It'll open this menu options, and what you need to do is click on audiences. Once you click on audiences, it'll take you to a page just like this, and this is where you need to create your custom audience. So you can see on the right hand side there's a green button that says create ad. That's because after you create your audience, your retargeting audience, you can create an ad using that specific audience. In this case, we're just going to click on custom audience. You can see Facebook opens multiple options. In this case, you can see there's website traffic, create a list of people who have visited your website or took a specific action using the Facebook pixel. So if you click on this option, Facebook basically allows you to install a code on your website, and it tracks how many people are coming from Facebook to your website. It's fairly simple to do. All you need to do is just copy and paste a line of code on your website, and it allows you to basically build an audience live that gets updated daily. The more people you get to your website, the bigger the list. And basically, if you want to do advertising to that specific audience, then now you have an audience who have visited your website before, who know who you are, and they're more likely to respond to your advertisements. Now let's say that you're a blogger like me who have multiple blogs and you want to get returning traffic to your blogs. One of the best ways to do that is to install the Facebook pixel in your blog, and then you can create a massive list of people who have visited your blog. And if you want to promote a specific story to that audience, now you can do it because you have that custom audience built in the retargeting list, and you can reach thousands of people who have already visited your blog and are more likely to also visit your blog again or engage with your content. Now, the other type of retargeting is also engagement. This is also one of my favorite ways to grow Facebook pages and actually expand into bigger audiences, because you can get really targeted people to engage with your content, and it's perfect to attract new followers. So I'm going to show you how that looks. So if we click on engagement, you can see that there's video, create a list of people who have spent time watching your videos on Facebook or Instagram. There's also Facebook page, create a list of people who have interacted with your page on Facebook, and create a list of people who have interacted with your Instagram business profile. So because Instagram is part of Facebook now, you can also use the retargeting option to reach people on Instagram. So let's say you're launching a video series on Facebook and you're promoting that video series to have a lot of people watch your video. Well, you can create a retargeting audience on that video. So if 7 days later you publish another video on that series, now you can create an ad targeting the people who have visited your first video, and now you have more chances of more views and targeted views because there's people who have already watched that first video. So this is how powerful video retargeting is on Facebook. The same thing could happen with a Facebook page. Let's say you have a viral post that gets thousands and thousands of shares or of people commenting and liking that specific post. Well, you can create a list of people who have engaged with specific posts or a Facebook page. and then you can entice those people to like your page if they haven't liked your page already. This is one of the most powerful ways to grow a Facebook page because you're using people who already interacted with your brand to get them to come back to your brand and like your page. The same thing could happen with your Instagram profile, but you do have to have your Instagram profile linked to your Facebook account in order to use this feature. But the possibilities are truly endless because you can use these methods to basically filter out people who have already interacted with your website, with your Instagram page, with your Facebook page, or have watched a specific video on your Facebook page. Then you can use that audience to sell whatever it is you want to sell to them because they already know your name. Now, this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into the details of how to set this up because Facebook makes it really simple for anyone to do. In fact, if you click on the video option, you can see that it says choose a topic, and you can browse from recent videos on any Facebook page that you want. You can pick how many days you want to create that audience from. So for example, if I want people who have watched a specific video in the past 30 days, I can pull that audience from that specific video and I can name that audience, and then that's going to be saved on the list of retargeting audiences. Once I have that, I can create an ad. I can just simply create an ad using that audience. There's no advanced options. It's pretty simple to do. You can just follow simple directions. Facebook makes it really simple to do. They explain the whole thing. And once you learn how to do this and you actually try experimenting with different ways on how to use Facebook retargeting, then you're not going to want to go back to anything else. So this is basically Facebook retargeting in a nutshell. Okay, so now that you've seen the many options that Facebook offers when it comes to retargeting, now you have a better understanding how to use it. Even if you're just a blogger, someone who needs a lot of traffic to your blog, if they visit your blog for the first time, you can use a retargeting audience to get people to come back to your blog and read more content. So retargeting is a powerful way to get people back into your content. This is because they say that typically you need about 7 exposures to someone for them to actually take action. So that means that most people need to see something 7, 8, 9 times before they actually click on it, before they actually make a purchase or they take any action. This is why Facebook retargeting is really powerful, because if you use it properly, you can get a lot of people to just buy your product, buy your service, visit your blog, read your content, or watch your videos. I hope that this video was actually helpful to you. And if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions in regards to Facebook retargeting. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week, and I'll continue to post videos on this series to help you guys understand Facebook ads and how you can make more money in your business using Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.